Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you some ways you can take some Dollar Tree's items to make some beautiful hot cocoa bar DIYs that is going to be perfect for this holiday season. So let's go ahead and jump in nice and easy. As you can see here, starting off, I have two of Dollar Tree stackable drawers. They are stackable, but I do want them to stay together nice and put. So I'm going to use E6000 so I can attach them together and so they can be nice and strong and won't come apart. And then I'm just going to let that dry really well. But I also want to attach one of these organizing compartments that is from Dollar Tree as well. This is their 3-compartment holder. I know they do also have one that's 2 compartments, but this one fits perfectly across the top of the drawers. So I'm gonna lay it down so that way it can be placed like this. And once that's nice and glued down, I do place something heavy so it can hold everything nice and tight until it dries up. And you can see how strong it is there and holding together. And then now I'm gonna go ahead and just dress it up a little bit for the holidays. I do have this white sparkly ribbon from Dollar Tree that looks so nice and festive. I'm just going to run it across the 2 drawers at the bottom of the 3-compartment organizer, and I'm just using my hot glue gun to place this down because it'll hold it down really nicely. But you can go ahead and use E6000 if you wish to. Now I'm gonna go ahead with this pack of stickers. This was from Dollar Tree, I believe last year or 2 years ago. I know they always have out some nice stickers and window clings, so you can always pick out which one you would like to use. But I want to go in with these beautiful peppermints on the sides along with this Candy Cane Supply Co sticker at the very top. And then for the final touches, I'm going to add some of these little candies, faux candies that I got from Target Dollar Spot. And I'm going to just hot glue those down onto the drawers. And look at how cute this little hot cocoa bar turned out. You can add so many different things, so many fixings for your hot cocoa. And the reason why I laid down that 3-compartment is so that way on top you can place a mug so it's ready to go. And this is super perfect, my friend, to give as a gift or to have in your office space for some, quick and easy hot cocoa. And I absolutely love it. I think it's super cute. You would have to let me know what you think. Next up, my friend, we're going to be taking 2 of these little jars or bowls from Dollar Tree. They are glass, and I also have this pack. As you saw there, they come with a couple of them. They're like little seasoning bowls. I guess you can put seasonings in them when you are cooking or for whatever you want them for. Honestly, I'm going to be using them for the bottoms of these bowls. So I'm taking E6000 along with hot glue, and I am just pressing it right to the bottom of each bowl so that way it can create a nice little stand. And I'm going to do that for both of them, and I did let them dry for at least a couple hours because you really want to make sure that E6000 is good to go before you start working on it. So once it's nice and dry, this is what it should look like. And I really this is the look that I was hoping for. I really wanted it to be like a nice little stand with the big old bowl right at the top. Now I'm going to go in with these beautiful picks from Dollar Tree. I'm just going to bend them like this so that way they can go with the shape of the bowl, because I do want to hot glue them down to the very bottom where the 2 pieces meet, just to dress it up a little bit and make it look more festive. Once I place that down, I do place down a little frosted berry to the center. And that was it for this DIY. These came together super quick, my friend, but they look absolutely stunning. Of course, you can place anything down inside. I just decided to use them along with the rest of the hot cocoa bar stuff. So I added in some marshmallows along with candy canes, but feel free to add whatever. You can even add candles in here if you wanted. But again, these are hot cocoa bar DIYs, and I absolutely love them. I hope you do too. Let me know what you think. Moving along to the third DIY for today, my friend, I have here some red spray paint. This is in bright apple red, and I also have two of Dollar Tree's wooden crates. These have the star cutouts on the side, but they do have different ones that you can choose from. Once those are nicely painted and dry, I do want to attach the two together, so I'm just going to use some hot glue and just press them tightly together. And I also do add a clip just so it can really press it and it won't have any space in between, and you're just going to want to leave the clip on it until the glue gets a little bit firm and you are good to go. At the bottom, I do want to add some colorful beads as the feet for this piece, so I do add them just in a pattern that I would like. You can obviously add them however you would like. I don't put them around the whole entire rectangle, of this piece, but you can definitely do so if you wanted. I just wanted it to have a nice little pattern and something different, so I just played with it a little bit until I liked it, and you can see how it looks now. It looks really beautiful, and I did also add a popsicle stick to the bottom just so it can really, give it some more stability right at the bottom so the two pieces could be nice and strong. And then once that was done, I'm gonna go in with this really beautiful glittery green ribbon from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to wrap it around the entire thing. Now, be warned, this ribbon right here does let go of a lot of glitter, and I'll be honest, I'm not the biggest fan of glitter. I don't really like it. For the holidays and stuff, it's I can give it an exception, but I really don't. I'm not the biggest fan of glitter, but this really does let all the glitter just fall everywhere. But it's a good thing that we're just using it for, for this one piece, and it's just going to sit there holding your things, so you're not going to be touching it that much, which is great. So I'm just wrapping it around using some hot glue on each corner, so that way I can ensure that it's nice and put on there. And then with the same ribbon, I'm going to create a nice bow for the front. I'm just going to take the ribbon and fold it in half in two ways to make two loops, and then I'm going to take another tiny strip just to wrap it around the center for the bow, and then just simply hot glue it down. I didn't want the the legs of the bow or the the strings. I just wanted it like this, and then you can bend it like this so that way it can look more puffy. And that was it for this one, and I think this one turned out absolutely beautiful. I just love that glittery ribbon on this DIY because I think it makes it just stand out and look really beautiful and festive. And of course, you can see I laid out all of the hot cocoa things for a little hot cocoa bar, but you can honestly use this for whatever for the holiday season. You would have to let me know what you think. If you're looking for the perfect gift to give this holiday season, this is the gift that you want to give, because these are rechargeable batteries. And who doesn't need batteries, right? You need batteries for almost anything in your life. And what better way to have rechargeable ones where you can always use them, and it's just a gift that keeps on giving, literally, because you can use them, recharge them, use them again, and repeat. This is the website. Thank you so much to Cygold for partnering with me in this video. You guys, they have some amazing batteries with the charging packs, and you are absolutely going to love this. If not for yourself, then for a gift, or to give to a friend, to a family member this holiday season. And you are going to get 15% off with my code. So make sure you check all of the links in my description box below, because the link to my direct code will be down there, so you can get 15% off. You're not going to want to miss this, you guys, and I'm pretty sure you're going to love it, because I absolutely love it. And I'm going to have to pick up some more, because now that I have these, I want to change out all of the regular batteries for these rechargeable ones, which is going to be really great, and we don't have to keep spending money on new batteries. So I hope you check them out. You're absolutely going to love it. With that being said, my friend, let's move on to the final DIY for today. I have here one of Dollar Tree's little plates. These are plastic. They can get from their party section. They usually come with about 6 in the pack. And then they also have some of their really mini ornaments. They always have these every year. I'm just going to go all the way around the plates with these ornaments, but not all the way. I want a slight opening right there in the front. And you saw that I took off the tops of the ornaments because I want them to be open to add these frosted berries. And I am going to place down a little bit of hot glue before placing them down, so that way they don't, be flimsy and wobble everywhere. So I'm going to do that for all of the ornaments, and you'll see in just a second why I have the opening in the front, because I want to place down something in the center of this plate. And you can there's different options you can do. You can place down maybe a little glass bowl with a candle, which I'm going to show you in just a few seconds, or you can place down some Christmas decor, or you can place down some, holiday treats, whatever you want. This is perfect for, and that's why I love it, because you can do so many things with it as for all of these DIYs that I am doing today. So you can see I'm just adding all of those frosted berries. And my friend, if you've made it this far into the video, then it is time for our secret word for today. For today, it's going to be peppermint, because I used the peppermint in the first DIY and everything looks so pepperminty and just festive and fun. So comment that down below in the comments and I will know that you made it this far, which is highly appreciated. And this is the final look of this DIY. You can see how beautiful, how simple it is, but it really does look beautiful. You can see I placed down the little glass bowl that I used in the previous DIY as well to place down a little candle. But of course, you can place down whatever you want here in the center. I think some holiday treats would look really beautiful in here as well. And you would have to let me know what you think. And of course, my friend, do let me know which one was your favorite from today. And I hope you enjoyed today's DIYs as much as I did creating them for you. And if you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and consider hitting that subscribe button so you don't miss any of my videos that I post every week. And with that being said, my friends, I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you all on the next one. Take care and God bless. Bye.